Introduce your child to the world of coding and game development with the simple and ubiquitous coding language Python. IntelliBricks, learn Python creating fun games. Classes designed for beginners who have never programmed before, and also for students with some coding experience. Our course will provide an introduction to the Python programming language, while teaching the building blocks of programming such as variables, if or else statements, loops, and more. They will use their newfound knowledge to dive into various modules like Pygame, a cross-platform set designed for writing video games. Here, they will create cool and fun games such as Snake, Text Adventure, Hangman, etc. Each lesson builds upon the previous lesson as students build fun and complex applications, pushing the limits of their imagination and critical thinking. To schedule a demo session, visit www.intellibricks.in and facebook.com/in.intellibricks.